A big breaking news now coming in. We are learning that the former principal of the RG Medical College and Hospital, Professor Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, has already arrived at the CBI office. In fact, CNN News 18's Arunima, who is currently reporting outside of the CBI office there in Kolkata, is also joining us on the broadcast. Arunima, very good morning to you. Please walk us through the details with regards to this current investigation underway against Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. What all is going to be picked up with regards to his involvement in this case?
See, Sandeep Ghosh's presence at the CBI office had become the single most important talking point since yesterday. He was, detained by CBI around 2 o'clock in the afternoon after he had moved the Kolkata High Court seeking protection, and that protection was not made available to him. Post that, he was brought here to the CGO complex office of Central Bureau of Investigation in Salt Lake, Kolkata, and there was no clarity whether he was being detained or not. This morning, however, a little past 10, about 5 past 10, he arrived from the back gate of this complex. And when media personalities, media personnel confronted him about what the line of questioning has been, whether he's been confronted with Sanjay Roy, the main accused in this case, the person who was arrested by Kolkata police. Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal, said that he had no knowledge about Sanjay Roy and there's no question of him being confronted. He also said that people should stop speculating about my arrest because I'm cooperating with the CBI. Now, the CBI wants Sandeep Ghosh to answer why there was a delay. I think the police has been told, and this is the information that CBI has as well, that about 9:30 the body was discovered, and 40 minutes later the first call went to the Tala police station. So why the 40-minute delay? What was the reason that the principal delayed it? Why did the assistant superintendent first say that it was a case of suicide? What steps were being taken to de-stress the interns and the doctors there? Because the victim apparently told her family, this is what the family has told CBI, that she felt pressurized at RG Kar. So Sandeep Ghosh is being asked to explain the reason for this kind of pressure that she felt, and if he knew anything as the head of the medical college.
Right, Arunima, thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more details and developments emerging straight from the city of Kolkata at this point of time. Right now, shifting focus to another breaking news now coming in. Well, the BJP sources have informed CNN News 18 that the former Jharkhand Chief Minister Champai Soren may join BJP. Many other JMM leaders may also join the BJP, and sources in fact have also said that it's a master stroke orchestrated by Himanta Biswa Sarma.
आप लोग ऐसा सवाल ना जो बोलने भी नहीं सकोगे, हम तो आपका सामने है।
देखिए, हमारा साथ अभी तक कोई संपर्क में नहीं है। दिन में मैं चैनलों से ही न्यूज़ देख रहा हूं, और चंपाई सोरेन जी एक बहुत ही वरिष्ठ पॉलिटिशियन है। उनका बारे में मैं कोई कैजुअल कमेंट देना नहीं चाहता हूं।
Former Chief Minister, what exactly he has to say with regards to him joining the BJP?
आप लोग ऐसा सवाल ना जो बोलने भी नहीं सकोगे, हम तो आपका सामने है।
Remember, he's a very big and crucial figure in the political scenario of Jharkhand. He is also known as the Tiger of Jharkhand because he was a very crucial and a very tall figure when the Jharkhand separation happened. And BJP sources have now informed CNN News 18 that he is likely to join the BJP along with other JMM leaders as well. We have News 18's Chandra Mohan joining us on the broadcast as well. Chandra Mohan जी, हमें बताइए कि फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर ने क्या कहा जब उनसे ये पूछा गया कि अनुमान लगाया जा रहा है कि वो और JMM के कुछ और भी कार्यकर्ता ऐसे हैं जो बीजेपी शायद ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल, देखिए, पिछले कई दिनों से ये खबरें सामने आ रही थी कि पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री चंपाई सोरेन जो जेएमएम के बड़े नेता भी हैं और हेमंत सोरेन के करीबी भी हैं कि वो बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। लेकिन जब उनसे ये सवाल पूछा गया तो उन्होंने साफ तौर पर यह कहा कि ये सिर्फ जो है ऐसे ही उनके नाम को लेकर चर्चा की जा रही है। ऐसा कोई उनके मन में नहीं है और ना ही उनकी आगे कोई ऐसी कोई रणनीति भी है कि वो जेएमएम छोड़कर और बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर लें। हालांकि जिस तरह से पिछले दिनों से ये खबरें सामने आ रही हैं कि वो बीजेपी के कई बड़े नेताओं के संपर्क में है, तो इस बात से भी इनकार नहीं किया जा सकता है कि बीजेपी के नेताओं से उनकी बात हो रही होगी और हो सकता है कि आने वाले दिनों में वो बीजेपी ज्वाइन भी कर लें। हालांकि वो फिलहाल इसको खारिज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से ये बातें सामने आई है, कहीं ना कहीं उनकी बात बीजेपी में हो रही है। अब हो सकता है कि कुछ शर्तें हो जो बीजेपी मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं हो, या फिर उस पर बात नहीं बन पाई हो, सहमति नहीं बन पाई हो, इसीलिए चंपई सोरेन बीजेपी ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे हो। लेकिन अभी उन्होंने इन सभी बातों पर, इन सभी अटकलों पर विराम लगा दिया है। उन्होंने कहा कि अभी उनका ऐसा कोई प्लानिंग नहीं है कि वो बीजेपी ज्वाइन करेंगे।
जी चंद्रमोहन जी, हमसे वो सारी जानकारी शेयर करने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। वेल, विद दैट इट्स अ रैप फ्रॉम आवर साइड एज ऑफ नाउ, बट डू स्टे ट्यून्ड टू CNN News 18 as big news and updates continue here on the other side.